Welcome back to Auto Wheels Review, your ultimate destination for the finest machines on the road. Today, we're unveiling a game-changing vehicle that redefines luxury and mobility, the 2025 NovaGlide Pro Luxury Motorhome. If you've ever dreamed of traveling in the utmost comfort, this is the motorhome that brings your dreams to life. From its cutting-edge design to its incredible performance, the NovaGlide Pro sets a new benchmark for luxury motorhomes. If you're ready to experience the next level of on-the-road living, this is the machine to make that journey unforgettable. Let's start with the design. The 2025 NovaGlide Pro doesn't just look like a motorhome, it looks like a work of art. It's sleek, aerodynamic, and imposing, with a body that's crafted to slice through the wind. Every curve, every detail is intentional. The motorhome boasts premium automotive-grade paint finishes, with customizable options ranging from deep metallic hues to sophisticated matte tones. Its high-end composite materials provide both strength and elegance, ensuring it's built to last while maintaining a sophisticated appearance. The front grille is bold and unmistakable, with sharp LED headlights that not only offer superior illumination, but also enhance the vehicle's futuristic appeal. The integrated aerodynamics reduce wind resistance, improving fuel efficiency while offering that smooth, streamlined ride. Step inside, and the interior feels like stepping into a luxury hotel on wheels. The living space is expansive thanks to its advanced slide-out system that effortlessly extends the width when parked. Every inch of the interior is meticulously crafted with premium materials like hand-stitched leather, polished wood accents, and ambient lighting. The cabin offers ample space for relaxation and enjoyment, providing an environment that's both calming and sophisticated. The gourmet kitchen inside the NovaGlide Pro is perfect for the culinary enthusiast. It features a state-of-the-art induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a smart refrigerator with the latest tech to keep your food fresh. The countertops are made from luxurious quartz, and there's even a wine chiller for those relaxing evenings under the stars. The dining area is designed for comfort with convertible seating that can transform into a lounge for movie nights or casual meals. With the built-in entertainment system featuring a 65-inch 4K smart TV, satellite surround sound, and wireless Bluetooth connectivity, you can enjoy your favorite shows or listen to music no matter where you are. When it comes to the master bedroom, you're in for a treat. It features a full-size memory foam bed with adjustable firmness, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed after every night. Retractable blackout shades and a ceiling skylight offer a view of the stars, allowing you to sleep under the open sky whenever you want. Temperature is controlled by a dual-zone climate system, allowing for custom settings to suit your needs. Moving onto the bathroom, it's equipped with spa-like features that take your personal care to the next level. A rainfall shower with adjustable pressure, marble countertops, and touchless fixtures make it feel like a 5-star hotel bathroom. Plus, there's a heated towel rack and a high-end bidet system for added luxury. For the digital nomads and work-from-road enthusiasts, the NovaGlide Pro comes with a mobile workstation. With high-speed satellite internet, a noise-isolating desk, wireless charging, and a smart power system, you'll be able to work comfortably no matter where you are. No more sacrificing productivity for adventure. Now, let's talk about performance. The NovaGlide Pro is powered by a diesel-electric hybrid engine, a perfect combination of power and efficiency. The hybrid system ensures that you get both the power to handle mountainous terrain and the fuel efficiency needed for long-distance travel. With a high-torque engine capable of 350 horsepower, you'll be able to tackle any road, from rough backcountry trails to smooth highways, with ease. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride even when you're traversing uneven landscapes. The all-wheel drive system adds an extra layer of security, giving you more traction in inclement weather or off-road conditions. And with the auto-leveling air suspension, you can park with confidence, knowing that your motorhome will always be perfectly level, no matter the ground beneath. One of the best parts of owning a NovaGlide Pro is the off-grid capability. Thanks to its solar power system, lithium-ion battery banks, and water recycling technology, you can stay in remote areas for days or even weeks without losing any of your home comforts. Solar panels on the roof keep the battery charged, while the water filtration system ensures you have access to clean water no matter where you are. And of course, safety is top of mind in the NovaGlide Pro. The vehicle comes with 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. With these systems, every journey feels safe and secure, letting you focus on the adventure ahead. Let's talk about pricing. The 2025 NovaGlide Pro is a luxury motorhome that offers unparalleled features and craftsmanship. And this level of comfort comes at a price. The base model starts at around $500,000, with fully loaded versions pushing upwards of $600,000, depending on the customization options. While it's certainly an investment, it's an investment in a lifestyle, one that allows you to travel in style and experience the world without compromising comfort or quality. The NovaGlide Pro isn't just for those who want to travel. It's for those who want to live while they travel. It's for those who understand that the journey is just as important as the destination. Which feature excites you the most about the NovaGlide Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if this luxury motorhome has captured your imagination, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Wheels Review for more exclusive reviews of the world's most innovative and luxurious vehicles.